Okay, Brooke, this is a video on how to use the pineapple core that I am sending you in the mail. Said core. All right, so you take your pineapple, you just cut the top off a little bit, and that can totally make a cute centerpiece around something as well. But then all you do, this has spiky points on it. You stick it in the middle where the core is, and then you turn. Look how easy. I'm just turning it, and as I'm turning it, I love this thing. These also are fun to put a summer drink in, and so it's all sliced. I don't remember. Am I supposed to release it? I can't remember. Anyway, you pull it out. How fun is that? And notice that they're all spiral sliced. Isn't that cool? So that's how you do it. Super easy. Oh, I have a little more in there. I could go further. I'm gonna put it back. You can pop to get them off, you push the buttons in. My hands are all yucky now, but in theory, you push the buttons in and you pull the handle off, and then you have all your little spiral rings. Love it. All right, that's how you use it. You'll be getting it soon. Love you. Bye.